Hello everyone, this is my new air compressor, 12 volt for a car accessory plug, or 220 or 230 volts for the house socket. So it's 100 watts. It has 30 liters of airflow in a minute. Maximum running time is 20 minutes at once. Maximum pressure 7 bar, and it has lights. So let's see what we got. By the way, this is Polish brand in Poland. So let's see what we got. This is my warranty. Let's see. Some air hose. Nice. And let's see the product. Let's see what it out. Okay. I got the manual. It's in Polish, unfortunately, because I don't speak that language. And these are some fittings. Okay. Let's see. It's a nice and sturdy package. Okay, this is the first time I see it since I saw online and decided to buy, because I needed a 12 volt air compressor, and I found out this has two modes. This is off, this is DC for 12 volts, and this is AC for 230 volts. Okay, here's the air hose. This is the regular hose from the compressor. What is this one? Maybe a meter or so. Meter and a half. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This is pretty long cable. Let's see this house one. Is it shorty or? Minimalistic, because you always have socket near, and this one has at least 2 meters. Yeah, way over 2 meters. Okay, so it has the manometer. It's in kilograms per centimeter square, which is bar, and it has PSI, which is pounds per square inch. Okay. It's pretty heavy, almost 2.7 kilos according to the online specs. So it's time to test, I guess. See you in a moment. I will inflate a little more